Partition chromatography is a type of chromatography in which stationary phase must be liquid. I mean, there is compulsion that stationary phase should be liquid. And this liquid stationary phase, it is coated on some sport because liquid cannot remain stationary without sport. So sport is provided which keep this liquid stationary phase in stationary form. Now mobile phase, it may be some gas, it may be some liquid. I mean, two options are there, gas and liquid, both can be mobile phase. Say it's a column, and in this column stationary phase is packed, and we introduce sample along with mobile phase. Now in order to understand partitioning phenomena, we take cross section of this column. Say this is cross section, here it is sport, and on this sport liquid stationary phase it is coated. This show liquid stationary phase. Now sample is present in mobile phase. When it enter inside the column, some sample is transferred to the stationary phase on the basis of interaction. If sample have more solubility, more interaction with stationary phase liquid, then some amount is transferred to the stationary phase. Some amount still remain in mobile phase. So there will be a partitioning of sample between stationary phase and mobile phase. Okay? Sample is showing partitioning between liquid stationary phase and liquid mobile phase. That's why this chromatography is called partition chromatography, because mode of interaction of sample is partitioning. Sample is performing partitioning between stationary and mobile phase. One of best example of partition chromatography is paper chromatography. In paper chromatography, we perform routine lab. We consider that paper is stationary phase. Actually, paper is made up of cellulose, and in cellulose structure, water molecules are present. These water molecules which are embedded in cellulose structures, these water molecules serve the purpose of stationary phase, and cellulose is just sport. So in paper chromatography, stationary phase is water molecule which are present in structure of cellulose. So stationary phase is liquid. That's why paper chromatography is partition chromatography, means stationary phase is a